curves like a lyre in a gilded hand, its ribs of steel in electric haze, humming with life from the waking land. And far behind the horizon sleeps, but here the water refuses to rest. It leaps, it dances, it laughs, it weeps, like childhood returning to warm my chest. I see the fountains, each one a tale, each one a dancer in bridal blue. They rise as if they have read the Grail, they fall as if they are born anew. And in their fall I hear a cadence old, a measured pulse of ceremonial time, as if the sea had turned itself to gold and taught the stars how to learn to ride. Clear dawn, breathing through a quiet room, light like a promise on the edge of blue. A glass waits still with a listening heart, empty but ready, a sacred start. Time slows down in the hum of air, every second learning how to care. The world feels loud, but this moment knows how to soften sharpness, how to flow. I see tomorrow in a simple shine, in a fragile curve of a waiting line. Nothing spoken, nothing sworn, just space where something can be born. Hands above me tilt the sky, gravity sings as the stream replies. First cold touch, first awakening, a small beginning, everything. Pour it in, let it move through me, let it wash what I used to be. Every drop is a memory gone, every ripple says move on. I'm made of waves, I'm made of light, I bend, I break, I reunite. In this moment I am free, pour it in, let it be me. Bubbles rise like silver prayers, dancing truths I didn't dare. They speak in pops and fragile sounds, tiny bells with no solid ground. Ice like mountains drifting slow, teaching patience, teaching cold. Edges soften, angles fade, nothing here is meant to stay. I've been burning, I've been dry, thirsty under crowded skies, chasing echoes, chasing names, running circles, feeding flames. Now I feel the cooling grace of something pure against my face. Not a cure, not a command, just a chance to understand. That clarity is not control, it's letting go, it's letting flow. I don't need to hold so tight, what is clear survives the night. Every ache dissolves a bit in the honesty of this. I was shattered, I was loud, now I'm listening to now. Pour it in, let it move through me, let it wash what I used to be. Every drop is a memory gone, every ripple says move on. I'm made of waves, I'm made of light, I bend, I break, I reunite. In this moment I am free, pour it in, let it be me. I hear oceans in a glass, ancient futures, distant past. Every river ever known finds a way back home. I was taught to stand like stone. still, I'm living still. No sharp corners in this truth, only curves that guide me through. I don't have to be the fire, I can be what calms desire. Let me change without a scar, let me be exactly a vessel and a spark, a quiet glowing heart. Pour it in, let it move through me, let it wash what I used to be. Every drop is a memory gone, every ripple says move on. I'm made of waves, I'm made of light, I bend, I break, I reunite. In this moment I am free. Pour it in, let it be me. When the glass is finally full, there's no weight, there's no pull, just balance in a fragile frame. Nothing lost and nothing claimed. I'll carry this into the day, this gentle strength, this open way. If the world gets hard on me, I'll remember how to be clear, alive, and always new. Like water, learning how to move. To the blue, where silence calls, floating in a dream, the water's soft embrace, a world of weightless grace. Whispers in the waves, I feel it all, the weightless drift, the freedom's trace. My heart's adrift in this endless space. Underneath the surface, I'm alive, gentle tide, sinking deep in the colors of the night. The world outside fades to light, my body moves like it's part of the sky. I close my eyes and I start to fly in this ocean's arms. I'll never die. Underneath the surface, I'm alive, through the shadows we collide. Weightless, we're flying, no need to hide. In the water's arms, I feel alive. I'm alive. I'm alive. Caught in the current, I'm spinning around, lost in the rhythm, no gravity's found. Every movement like a soft sound. Underwater, my soul is unbound. Underneath the surface, I'm alive. Dancing through the shadows, we collide. Weightless, we're flying, no need to hide. the cool breeze blows. Sunlight dances softly through the trees so tall. A sacred silence calls where the spirits fall. In the heart of the green, where the wild things roam, we walk with the wind. Through the earth we are home. Let the song of the stream guide us through the night. In the dance of the trees, where the stars burn bright. The mist on the water, like a veil so thin, echoes of the ancients calling us within. The stones they whisper tales of ages past. In the river's flow, the memories will last. In the heart of the green, where the wild things roam, we walk with the wind. Through the earth we are home. Let the song of the stream guide us through the night. In the dance of the trees, where the stars burn bright. Beneath the silver moon, the forest sings. With every step we take, our spirit springs. Through the rhythm of the earth we find our way. In the arms of nature forever we'll stay. So let the river